rest assured, we're doing everything to make sure that the riding public gets a more comfortable ride and in terms of managing our traffic situation.
Yung Cavitex Calax Expressway na ginagawa ng Metro Pacific ay napakalaking may dudulot na kaginhawaan sa traffic dito sa banda ng Cavite and Laguna. Pero hindi yun ang major objective nito kasi itong ginagawa nilang expressway, ito yung sinasabi ng ating Pangulo, maglalagay ng connectivity sa mga growth centers in this region sa Calabarzon. Alam niyo to, with this expressway, definitely it will provide the necessary infrastructure to boost the economic development and tourism development actually dito sa Calabarzon. This will definitely, alam mo, sa ngayon kasi transport and logistic cost in the Philippines is one of the most expensive in Southeast Asia. No, I think with all this connectivity, it will definitely reduce logistic and transport cost. No? And of course, again, the development potentials that will be enhanced by these expressways. Na yung pag-travel ng ating mga motorists. I think we have our hands full of projects that will be implemented under this administration of the President. Sigurado ko, ito lahat ng proyekto namin ay tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.